You can sit here and watch your monitor in the night and find things that you would never think or imagine that you would see. Just crossing your front porch. Right here's my front porch right out there. And we have a little friend that's just decided to drop by. And, you know, it's always a blessing when you don't expect something like this, and then it just happens. It's just a real blessing. Also, look at the sparklets here. When you watch him go by, it almost looks like glitter follows him. He's got a little, 4 or 5 inch point on his head. Maybe 6 inch points. Little buck. Anyway, this is a video that I took a good while back, but just felt blessed when I ran across it. And the little guy's gone.